Major, I need you and your men prepped and on dropship Denver in 15 minutes.
Ma'am? But we're in the middle of our rest period. We need downtime for maintenance.
I am aware of your schedule, Major. This is an emergency. We have a new contact and I need you to make the pickup.
A contact?
Yes. Bishop Delandre of the Order. He is seeking employment in the Craven Corporation.
A bishop? Defecting?
That's what I said, Major. Unfortunately, his own forces wish to deny him this opportunity and are in pursuit.
My troops will be on the pad in 5.
New drop zone. Dropship entering atmosphere. Mission update. Receiving a transmission from the Order Defector. Position is triangulated.
Move order received. Waypoint added, Major. Waypoint added, Major. Moving at once, Major.
Move order received.
Enemy attacking command
Moving right away,
APC.
Major.
Understood. I'm on my way. Affirmative. Move order received. Understood. I'm on my way. Affirmative.
I'm at the rendezvous point, but the Order has discovered my absence and is hunting me. Please, hurry.
Enemy infantry destroyed.
Move order received.
Squad 2 taking friendly
Formation
fire.
acknowledged. Understood.
Enemy
I'm
attacking
on my
Squad
way.
2. Squad 1
Moving at
recharging.
once, Major. Moving right away, Major.
Line formation acknowledged. Understood.
Command
I'm on
APC
my
taking
way.
friendly fire. Enemy infantry destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 2.
Affirmative.
Squad 2
Engaging.
recharging. Squad 2 taking friendly fire. Enemy infantry destroyed. Squad 2 taking friendly fire. Enemy infantry destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 2. Squad 2 recharging. Squad 2 taking friendly fire. Enemy
Move
infantry
order
destroyed.
Move order received.
Move order
Enemy
received.
hoverdyne destroyed.
Understood. I'm on my way. Affirmative. Attacking.
Enemy attacking command APC. Enemy
Affirmative.
infantry
Position
destroyed.
acknowledged.
Squad 2
Affirmative.
recharging.
Position acknowledged.
Moving at once, Major.
Squad 2 taking friendly fire.
Move order received.
Enemy attacking Squad 2.
Move order
Squad
received.
2 recharging. Squad 2 taking friendly fire.
Understood. We will enter the APC.
Enemy infantry destroyed. Squad 2 taking friendly fire. Enemy infantry destroyed. Enemy attacking Squad 2. Squad 2 recharging.
Moving right away, Major. Move order received.
Understood. We will enter the APC.
Moving at once, Major. Waypoint added, Major.
I have the defector in sight. The Holy Roller's looking pretty badly hit. We'll need immediate medical on Dustoff, and he's got a horde of Dawnies on his tail.
Understood.
Allied Haberdyne destroyed. Enemy attacking Command APC. Squad
We lost
1
the defector
recharging.
APC. He might still be alive, though. Secure the area so we can search the wreck.
Enemy Haberdyne
Affirmative.
destroyed.
Position acknowledged. Affirmative. Position acknowledged.
Enemy attacking Command
Order
APC.
received.
Enemy Haberdyne destroyed.
Moving at once,
Squad
Major.
2 taking friendly fire.
Area secured. Search the wreck and try to help the bishop before he bleeds to death. Get your APC in there and rescue him.
Understood. We will enter the APC.
Moving right away, Major. Move order received.
Hey. Padre, you're safe. We got you. Dropship Denver. Have medics ready. We got a bleeder.
No time for medics. I am beyond their skills. I will pay the price for turning my back on the order.
Don't be crazy. We didn't come all this way to let you die in our arms.
No more time. You must stop the order. Project Garm. They are wrong. Not angels. Devils. Take this data disk. Tell them. Devils. Devils.
Allied infantry destroyed.
Damn!
Moving at once, Major.
Warning. Order forces approaching in overwhelming numbers. 98% chance of unit destruction if current position maintained. Return immediately to drop zone for evac. Mission accomplished.
I know the medics would issue a reprimand if they caught me going over my alcohol allowance, but I need a drink to drive that bishop's face from my mind. I think he died of fear as much as his wounds, like the hounds of hell were actually going to pour out of the sands to get us. What the hell was he thinking trying to defect? I've seen bishops will their own hearts to stop before letting a heretic touch their robes. Then there's this guy running to us like we were his only hope in the world. I wish we'd justified his faith. You must stop the order. But why? What is Project Garm? And what could be so terrible that it could turn a bishop into a traitor? Maybe after another drink I can follow Enrica's orders and forget everything I saw and heard today. I'm beginning to really hate this assignment.